All right, guys, it's time for some Mad Science Friday fun. And today's cool lesson is on engineering.
So let's head back to the lab to find out the science behind the challenge.
Yeah, where my dogs at? Hey, guys. Woo, woo, woo.
Yes, we are the Dogs of Science.
Woof, woof.
Right here on Living, Oklahoma. This is so exciting. It's cold out. It's cold out. And you know, most people when it gets cold and it snows, they like to build snowmen. I like to get a little bit more engineering, and there's no snow. So there was ice, so I thought, let's make something with ice.
Yeah.
Okay. And here's what I was thinking we could make. We could make an arch with ice that will support itself. And you can see we made one right there. And the ice cubes are kind of sticking there together. It's got a little form in there, okay? And then we're gonna pull that form out. It's gonna stick together, hopefully, okay?
Yes.
But let me show you how we did it, okay? Okay, a long time ago in a country far, far away, actually right here, they used to have, when you wanted ice, you made it in your refrigerator in something called an ice cube tray, and it would make cubes like this. And if you look on the top, it's bigger than on the bottom. So what we're gonna do is put this right here, and we're gonna try and build that arch right across this cardboard form. Okay, let's push it way back like that so it's right there on the edge. Oh, sorry, I made yours fall. No, you can. Okay, so there, I'll hold it, and we'll put these right in here like this. Okay, now I'm holding the bottom one. I'll hold the bottom one there. Okay. Go ahead and add more to it. And this is cool because it's working on compression and tension. It's pressing together to hold it into the middle, and the tension of holding it all together is what's holding it up. Okay, now if you would, put another ice cube right here behind it so it'll hold it from sliding out away. And it fell like that. Now that happened a lot of times when we were building that first arch, but eventually, it just stood right up. And there we go, and there we go. And then right here, the one in the middle is called the keystone because without that, the rest of it wouldn't work at all. So hold that keystone up there. I'll put this right here. I'll put this right here. I'll put this right here. It's not working. Okay, I'll put this right here, and I'll put this right here. This is exciting because it's a project you can do at home on a cold winter day or even a summer day with ice cubes. Just put them all out there, drop that keystone in there, and there we go. Ooh. Pretty cool, huh? Now we've got the form right there, we've got the form there, but when it freezes, we're gonna pull that form out. You can do it at home. Let's forget about this one for a minute. Okay, that's how you do it. Let's see if we can pull this form out now because it's melted a little bit. Hold that side over there and the top. I don't know if this is gonna work, but we're gonna try it. We're gonna try it. And there we go.
Perfect.
There we go, our ice cube arch. How cool is that? You can do this at home. Just take some patience.
Yes.
Back to you at Living, Oklahoma. We are the Dogs of Science with our very own ice cube arch.
How, what, when? Science is so incredible.
Science, you gotta love it. Find out more about Mad Science at okc.madscience.org.
Yeah, and check them out on YouTube at Dogs of Science. Science.
Oh, that was nice. A little echo in there. Of course, our Living Oklahoma Facebook page. You can find more there as well.
Yeah, Dogs of